Need to fix Discord stuck at awaiting endpoint? Then in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Well, if the Wi-Fi is not working properly, then you can try using cellular data as well. If not, now the next thing you can try doing is, you need to head over to the application Discord and then refresh the app. Once you're inside the application, close the tab Discord and then you have to reopen it. Refreshing the app might fix the issue. If not, move into settings. Inside settings, move into general. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on VPN and device management. You have to make sure that you are not connected to any of the VPN. Once done, now what you need to do is, you have to go back and head over to the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar, search for Discord. Move into this app. Make sure that the application is up to date. If not, click on Update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.